This 2012 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 29RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, leveling jacks, awning, refrigerator, external shower, auxiliary battery, LP detector, air conditioning, TV, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 29RE is 9,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.